Hello, students. Hello, students. Welcome to Bridge Academy Grade 9 Biology Unit 3 Tutorials Lesson 5, Cell Structure and Function, the Nucleus and Ribosome. Introduction. Cells are the basic units of life. They contain tiny structures called organelles that perform specific tasks. The nucleus and the ribosome are the two important organelles of a cell. The nucleus controls the cell's activities, while ribosomes help make proteins. This lesson explores the structure and function of these organelles. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It is found in eukaryotic cells, such as those in plants, animals, and fungi. The nucleus is surrounded by a double membrane called the nuclear envelope. This envelope has pores that allow materials to move in and out. Inside the nucleus is the nucleolus, a dense area where ribosomes are made. The nucleus stores deoxyribonucleic acid DNA, which contains the instructions for building proteins. DNA stays safe in the nucleus and directs all cell activities, like growth and reproduction. When the cell needs to make proteins, the nucleus sends instructions to the ribosomes. Ribosomes are small organelles that build proteins. They are found in all cells, including prokaryotic and eukaryotic ones. Ribosomes can be classified into different types based on their location and structure. The two main types of ribosomes are free ribosomes. These ribosomes float freely in the cytoplasm of the cell. They make proteins that stay inside the cell for functions like metabolism or structural support. Free ribosomes are found in both prokaryotic simple cells like bacteria and eukaryotic cells, complex cells like those in plants and animals, membrane-bound ribosomes. These ribosomes are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, forming the ruffa. They produce proteins that are destined for export outside the cell or for use in cell membranes. These are found only in eukaryotic cells, as prokaryotes lack an summary. The nucleus and ribosomes are key organelles in cells. The nucleus acts as the control center, storing DNA and directing cell activities. It is protected by the nuclear envelope and contains the nucleolus, where ribosomes are made. Ribosomes are tiny structures that build proteins. They can be free in the cytoplasm or attached to the ruffa. Together, the nucleus and ribosomes ensure the cell can make proteins for growth, repair, and other functions. Understanding these organelles helps us see how cells work and stay alive. Review questions and answers. Question 1. What is the main function of the nucleus in a cell? Answer. The nucleus acts as the control center of the cell, storing DNA and directing cell activities like growth and reproduction. Question 2. Where are ribosomes found in a cell? Answer. Ribosomes are found floating freely in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, forming the ruffa. Question 3. What is the role of ribosomes in protein synthesis? Answer. Ribosomes read instructions from messenger RNA, mRNA, and link amino acids together to build proteins. Question 4. How do the nucleus and ribosomes work together? Answer. The nucleus stores DNA and sends mRNA with protein-building instructions to the ribosomes, which then use the mRNA to make proteins. Question 5. What is the nucleolus, and what does it do? Answer. The nucleolus is a dense area inside the nucleus where ribosomes are made.